Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, What the Health. I am Darwin Moore, your host, and today we're going to dive into a topic that's close to my heart, and that's essential oils for athletes. So whether you're a pro athlete or just starting your fitness journey, these natural oils that we're going to talk about today can give you a major boost in your performance, recovery, and overall well-being. But first of all, I just want to thank you guys for rolling with me. As I always say in all my videos, please make sure that you guys comment down below because I want you to help guide the show and the topics that we talk about. So please also make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, notifications, all that good stuff so that we can make this channel the best that it can be. Also, a little bit of more housekeeping. I want to thank our exclusive sponsor, Cranwood Collection. They produce some of the best smelling perfumes and colognes for men. And as a thank you to my audience, they're going to give you 20% off your shipment. They produce, I'm a user of the product, and I have one here called bergamot and ambergris. Very clean, fresh smelling. This one in particular for the men, there's notes of bergamot, ambergris, and grapefruit. So very uplifting fragrance here. I think this one is regularly, it's a 3.4 ounce bottle. I think this is regularly $40. Okay. They also have, let's see, I like this autumn and amber, notes of lavender, jasmine, vanilla, patchouli. Very elegant, sophisticated smell. Great for date nights, smells sexy. So the ladies will love it. That's another one. They also produce a cashmere and vanilla. Okay, very, very elegant, sensual, what have you for the ladies. So check that one out. They also have a rose one with rose, vanilla, mandarin, peony, and musk. It's called Monica Rose. Excellent choice. So just show you a little bit of what they offer. I will have a link down below in the description, but they will be giving you guys 20% off with the code WTH20. All right, so let's get into it. We're going to hit on this topic of essential oils in athletes or fitness. Us as athletes, we put our bodies through a lot, whether it's lifting weights, running, practicing, yoga, Pilates, weekend sports, intense weekend sports. So it's essential to support our bodies with things that can aid in recovery, reduce pain, and even enhance our performances. So essential oils might be one of the most underrated tools in the athlete's wellness kit. And today we'll talk about how they can help with everything from sore muscles to mental focus. I'm going to break it down into 4 key areas: muscle recovery, mental clarity, pain relief, and energy boost. So let's get started. Now, first up, we'll talk about muscle recovery, okay? If you ever had a tough workout or an intense game, you know what it feels like to have those sore muscles the next day. And the older you get, the more sore they become. But essential oils, for example, like lavender, peppermint, rosemary, these oils can really make a difference, okay? So first off, we'll talk about lavender. Now, lavender is known for its relaxing and anti-inflammatory properties, and just a few drops in, say, like a warm bath or diluted in a carrier oil and massaged into your muscles can definitely help soothe soreness and improve relaxation. And it's also great for calming your mind after an intense workout, okay? So lavender I love lavender. It's probably one of the most versatile essential oils on the market. And I use this quite a bit too. So I'll use I like to use coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, in order to dilute. And I'll just pour some of the oil in my hands and put a few drops of lavender in there, mix it up together, and just hit all over where I'm aching. And does a wonderful job without taking any aspirins or getting any, for you college and pro athletes, without getting cortisone shots and things of that nature. So always make sure, as an athlete or fitness buff, make sure you have lavender in your toolkit. Okay. The next one we'll talk about is peppermint. Peppermint. Here, I have some peppermint. This is strong stuff. So peppermint is another amazing oil, especially if you're dealing with tight muscles and stiffness. So it has menthol in it, which provides a cooling sensation that helps relax sore muscles and improve circulation. So you can apply it topically to your neck, your shoulders, legs, arms, whatever, after a workout. And so basically with that menthol rather, if you look at any other pain reliever, your icy hots, your biofreezes, your salon pods, you'll always see menthol, okay? Because it does really help in getting those sore muscles to relax and improve that circulation. So feel free to use peppermint oil as an athlete or fitness buff, weekend warrior, whatever you want to call it, okay? So mental clarity, a lot of you might not think about it on an everyday basis in your athletic endeavors, but mental clarity, we all know how important focus is for athletes, especially when you're competing or pushing through a tough training session or what have you. And a couple other oils that we're going to talk about, like rosemary. We've already talked about peppermint, and lemon can help clear your mind. Okay, so lemon, let's go back to peppermint. Peppermint is intense. Now, the company that I represent, which I'll have the link down below, they produce, we're talking about some strong, concentrated essential oils, but this peppermint goes a long way. Lots of times when I need to just clear out the cobwebs, instead of using it to rub on my muscles, guess what I do? I just take the top off like this, and it's intense. It's intense. So basically the same effect as smelling salts, but in a natural form. But that really opens up the sinus cavities and whatnot, and just clearly goes to your head. If we look at rosemary, which I think I left in another room, rosemary is basically one of those essential oils that is known for boosting your memory and your concentration. Okay. So this is something you can definitely, during your game or whatever, match, whatever you want to call it, you can definitely use this to help promote that focus and that mental sharpness. It's great for those early morning workouts if you're just a workout fiend, or just when you want to stay alert. So rosemary is another one of those very beneficial oils that's out there. So we've already talked about peppermint and, just the invigorating feeling can help you feel more awake and even helps with mental fatigue. So if you're feeling sluggish before a workout, take a deep breath of peppermint oil and you'll instantly feel more focused and energized. I myself will guarantee that because I use it all the time. Okay, for that very purpose. So we're going to talk about pain relief a little bit now. And I'm sure it's something that every athlete deals with at some point, whether it's a nagging injury or just general soreness. Essential oils like peppermint, not peppermint, but essential oils can help alleviate that discomfort. So we can look at those essential oils like eucalyptus, wintergreen, ginger, okay? Those are all fantastic for pain relief. Eucalyptus oil in particular is excellent for reducing inflammation and easing muscle tension. So you can dilute it, as I always talk about, with your carrier oil of choice and apply it to sore spots, or even just use it in a warm compress, okay? But all of these particular oils will help bring down that soreness and inflammation, especially when you look at like ginger. Ginger, I eat raw ginger, but it's great for anti-inflammatory issues, okay? Wintergreen, as I mentioned earlier, is another one of those great oils, especially for joint pain and soreness. Okay, it has natural and helpful analgesic properties, and when used topically, it can help reduce pain. Okay, so you have tons of choices out there for the pain. You got wintergreen, you have eucalyptus, you have peppermint, okay, to reduce that pain and soreness. And so just be sure to use these in moderation because it's very strong. These oils are powerful. Just keep that in mind because we always want to talk about safety and allergic reactions when we're talking about essential oils. Like I've said in various videos, safety. Please practice safety. Now, last but not least, we'll talk about the good old energy boost, okay? I hate it. I hate it when I see people walking around with these cans of Red Bull and Monster and Fuel and whatever energy drink there is out there. In the long run, not good for you, okay? So we're gonna talk about that energy boost, because some days it's hard to get motivated, hard to get out of bed, or even just get through a workout. But I will guarantee you that if you incorporate essential oils into your program, they can give you that pick me up that you need. Because I talked earlier just about like peppermint, okay? But we can look at the citrus oils. Citrus oils. Like your lemon, your orange, your grapefruit, they're great for boosting energy and improving your mood, okay? I keep lemon on hand. I have some wild orange somewhere around here. I have some wild orange, grapefruit I keep around. But those are great for boosting your energy and improving your mood. And so when you inhale these, fresh, zesty oils, aromas, they stimulate your body and your mind. I'm telling you, this stuff works when it comes to giving you that quick energy boost. I like to either, if I'm on a run, I like to do like I did earlier. Here's some lemon. I like to do what I did earlier and just, or man, it smells good. Or I'll just put a couple drops on my hands with carrier oil. Sometimes I'll even do it just pure because I know it won't affect me. I'll just put a couple drops in my hands and just and I swear it gives you a great energy burst. One of the other oils that I've experienced for energy burst is bergamot. Okay. It's known for its uplifting and energizing effects. And just like I say, you can even just rub a little bit on your hands or diffuse it or rub it on your chest or rub it in your temples before a workout just to feel more alert and ready to take on the challenge. So lemon, orange, grapefruit, bergamot, those are excellent choices when it comes to getting that boost of energy and and that mood and improving of that mood of yours. So a few other oils to add to your arsenal. Now, I'm kind of torn because there have been times where I've used in my former life, or being an athlete, I relied on pain killers and things of that nature. It's really long term can do long term damage to your body. But I am glad and thankful that I put the time in to research and learn over the past 15 years or so, learn about these essential oils and how they can benefit me, because I try to stay as all natural as possible. And I've incorporated many of these: peppermint, lavender, lemon, grapefruit, ginger. I've incorporated a lot of these into my everyday life. So I'm not telling you something that I don't know or haven't experienced, but you just have to do it for yourself, and there'll be plenty of chance for you. You look at the links below. You can go to my company and just see all the things we have for athletes, okay? And essential oils and essential oil blends and what have you. I know there's a product on my website. It's called Deep Blue. So it's basically a solid form of it's a solid form. It comes in stick form that has all the ingredients that we talked about: your orange, your grapefruit, your lemons, your bergamots, your gingers. It has all those ingredients in it, and it's all natural, infused with essential oils. So you just take it and just rub it on the affected areas. And it does wonders for everything we talked about: muscles, sore muscles, mental clarity, boosting your energy. And the thing is that there's nothing fake or artificial in the products that we sell. And me, as a wellness advocate / consultant, I feel it's really important to relay this information out there. So make sure you go and check out the website. You'll see the link below. But to wrap it up, I guess my final message in this particular program is that essential oils can definitely be a game changer for athletes looking to enhance their performance, recovery, and overall well-being. From soothing sore muscles to improving mental clarity and boosting your energy, these oils that we talked about today can definitely provide a natural, effective solution to staying on top of your game. So that's it in a nutshell today, folks. I'd like to hear about your favorite essential oils for athletic performance. So please make sure to leave your comments below and drop a comment. Share your go-to oils for recovery or focus or soothing muscles, mental clarity. Share your experiences with that. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that like button so that you can be notified of all the future great content that we're going to be putting out there. So thanks for watching and listening. I appreciate you. And until next time, stay in good health.